Hello everyone. Today I speak on the topic that define the soul of our nation, that is unity in diversity, the strength of India. India is a land of many contrasts, different culture, religion, language, tradition, festival, and even cuisines. And yet, in all these differences, we find something extraordinary: unity. It is. This unity in diversity that makes the India not just a country but a emotion shared by over a billions of people. So, what is the meaning of unity in diversity? Let us first understand what is this phrase really means. Unity in diversity means staying united even tough we are different in many ways. It is the idea that our differences do not divide us and but rather make us stronger together. In India, this concept is not just a saying, it is a way of life. We have over 22 official languages, 100 of dialects, multiple religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and more. Every state has its own unique identity, yet all of us are proud to call ourselves Indians. The cultural diversity of India, from the snowy mountains of Kashmir to sunny beaches of Kerala, from the desert of Rajasthan to lush forest of the northeast. India is a land of rich culture diversity. Each state has its own language, attire, festival, food, music, and dance forms. For example, Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, Bihu dance from Assam, Garba from Gujarat. Yet during national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, or during moments of pride like Indian winning a cricket match, we all are celebrate as a one family and religious harmony. One of the most beautiful example of unity in diversity in India is seen in the religious harmony. People of different faiths live together peacefully. We celebrate Eid, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti, and Buddha Purnima with equal joy and respect. In many neighborhoods, you will find a temple, mosque, church, and gurdwara standing next to each other, symbolizing peaceful coexistence. This religious harmony is the strength of our secular nation, and where the Constitution of India give us uh, every citizen the right to practice any religion and language and literacy. India is home to wide range of language, and each language has its own literature, poetry, and historical importance. From Sanskrit sloks to Tamil Sangam literature, from Hindi dohas of Kabir to Urdu poetry or literature reflect our diversity and our unity at the same time. Despite the linguistic variety, Hindi and English acts as connecting language for communication, helping people from different states interact with as and the Indian Constitution and unity. Our Constitution, adopted on 26 January 1950, also reflect the principle of unity in diversity. It declared that India is a sovereign, socialist, and secular and democratic republic. It guarantee equal freedom and justice to all the citizens, regardless of religion, caste, gender, or region. The idea of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, One India, Great India, promote national integration and a celebrate the culture richness of each state by connecting them with one another. And also the festival as a symbol of unity in India. Festival play a huge role in strengthening unity. whether it Holi, Pongal, Onam, Rath Yatra, or Navratri. People from various backgrounds come together to celebrate during Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra. People from all the walks of life participate in the Visarjan procession during the Durga Puja in West Bengal. Entire neighborhood light up with the joy and energy. This festival may be rooted in the regional tradition, but they are celebrated across the nation. Unity in diversity in crisis, or strengthen unity become most visible during difficult times, whether it was freedom struggle where people from all corners of India united fight against British rule, or the more recent in the COVID-19 pandemic where people come together to help each other. We Indians have always stood united when there are floods, earthquake, or other disaster. Um, People from different states donate money, food, and resources without caring about region or religion. This spirit togetherness is what makes India strong. Challenges to uh, challenges to unity. While we celebrate unity, we must also accept that there are challenges. Sometimes there are regional disputes, regional intolerance, or caste-based discrimination. These are the serious issue that try to disturb our unity. But the uh, solution lies in the education, awareness, and strong commitment to our national values. We must remember that India is not great because we are the same, but because we are different and still one. So, at the end, we concluded that unity in diversity is not just a slogan, it is the heartbeat of India. It teaches us to value our difference while celebrate what unite us. And let us always remember the words of national mottos is Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumph. Let us truth, harmony, and unity always guide our actions and responsible citizen. Let us be proud of our culture or tradition and our diversity, because this diversity is our identity, and our unity is our power. Mm, thank you.